Good day everybody and welcome back to mathematics class with teacher Matthew. Today we're going to take a look at lesson 12.4 geometry, introducing reflective symmetry. In this class I'd like everybody to prepare your ruler. You can use your stencil as your ruler or use the proper ruler. Prepare your ruler because we're going to draw some lines, straight lines. Now let's take a look at the warm-up. Boom paints this shape on one half of a piece of paper. Yeah. She folds it in half and press the page together. So this picture shows what she saw when she opened the paper. Now what do you see? Draw a line along the crease where she folds the paper. So we're going to draw a line. Use your ruler, everybody, to draw a line. Straight line. Now draw a red line along it. Everybody, do it in your book. Now, Tao carefully paints this shape on half of his paper. What do you think she could see if the paper was folded over, then open up again? That's what she saw. So everybody, I want you to draw that in your book. Draw the other side. Use your ruler, please. Now let's go on to the workout. Look at each picture made by painting and folding. Draw a line on each shape to show where the crease would be. So we'll draw the line, straight line here, part B, part C, part D, and part E, I mean. So we have something like this. So everybody do it, and you can pause the video now. Okay, now let's go to number 2. Imagine these are painted shapes. Draw what you would see if the paper was folded over then open up again. So for part A, we see similar line like this, or shape. For part B, we will see similar shape like this. For part C, also similar. Part D, we will see the similar shape like this, but in opposite direction. Part E is the same like this. Part F, some like this. Now, draw the same in your book. Pause the video and draw the shape in your book. Now, let's go to number 3. Number 3, I want the student to take this home as homework. Number 3, draw a shape on one side of a dotted line, then draw what you would see again if the paper was folded over, and then open up again. This is the homework, okay? Number 3, homework. Now let's go on to the fast finishers. Now write your name in large letters above the dashed line. Imagine it was written in paint and the page was folded down across the line. Draw what you would say when the paper was open again. So I'm going to try and write my name in large letters. So I want the student to write your name in English, please. So when it's folded, we have something like this. Okay, so this is for my name. Now I want the student to write your own name. Please write your own name on this page for the fast finishers. Do not write Teacher Matthew's name. Write your name and write the name that will appear if it was painted and folded. Now let's go to the practice book. Bring out your practice book, everybody. Now practice 1. Look at each picture made by painting and folding. Draw a line on each shape to show where the crease would be. So for part A, we have something like this, part B, and part C as well. And for number 2, imagine these are painted shapes. Draw what you would see if the paper was folded over and then open up again. So for part A, we see like this, part B, part C, parts D, E, and F, as you can see on the screen. So you can pause the video to draw your shape. Okay, so if you're done, then I'll see you. Oh, number 3, do number 3 as your homework as well. Number 3 as homework. See you in the next class. Have a great day. Have a nice day.